Hello students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Let's see the new chapter 3 differentiation from paper 1, and this is the first part of this chapter. Okay. See the differentiation. Let's see what is the meaning of differentiation. The meaning of differentiation is mainly the rate of change. Okay. The main meaning of differentiation is rate of change. The rate of change in a function at a point with respect to variable is called the derivative. We also call differentiation as derivative. Okay. The process of finding this derivative is called differentiation. Understood? So the meaning of differentiation is the rate of change in a function at a point with respect to the variable. Okay. And the process of finding a derivative is called differentiation. Understood? See the next. It is definition of derivative and differentiability. Here you have to just remember this definition. It is not used in any sums. While solving sum, there is no use of it. But you have to remember this definition. Okay. Let f be a function defined on an open interval containing a. Open interval means we have to use your open bracket, small bracket. Okay. If the limit delta x tends to 0, f of a plus del x minus f of a upon del x, where del x is the small change. Okay. This symbol is called del x, or we can also say delta x. So limit delta x tends to 0, f of a plus delta x minus f of a upon delta x exists, then f is said to be differentiable at x equals to a. Okay. This limit is denoted by f dash a. For derivative we use the dash. So function is f of a, then its derivative is differentiation is f dash a, and is given by this formula. This formula is f dash a equals to limit delta x tends to 0, f of a plus delta x minus f of a upon delta x, where f dash a is called the derivative of f at the point a. Okay. Now if you are using the function as y equals to f of x, okay, here in place of a it is given x. If the function is something function y equals to f of x, where f of x can be any polynomial function, quadratic function, cubic function, logarithmic function, exponential function, it can be any of these. Okay. So if y equals to f of x is the functional, and if the limiting value is called the derivative of the functional, and it is symbolically represented as dy by dx. Okay. If we are using the function in y equals to, then its derivative of y is dy by dx, and derivative of f dash x is for fx. Okay. Derivative of y is dy by dx, and derivative of fx equals to f dash x, and it is also represented as y dash. So we are using three symbols for the derivatives. If you use y, then its derivative will be y dash or dy by dx, and if you are using the function in terms of f of x, then its derivative is f dash x. Okay. See derivative of some standard functions. Here some functions are given, and we have to find learn this derivatives. So first is if y equals to fx, then its derivative is dy by dx equals to f dash x. Okay. These are the functions. On the left side, right side, it is given their derivatives. First function is k. K means constant. The derivative of any constant is equals to 0. Suppose if you have to find the derivative of 5, then d by dx of 5 equals to 0. Okay. Then see second, derivative of x equals to 1. Third, derivative of root x is equals to 1 upon 2 root x. Then derivative of 1 by x, it is minus 1 upon x square. Then fifth, derivative of x raised to n. This we have to use the most. Derivative of x raised to n equals to n into x raised to n minus 1. Okay, remember all these formulas. Sixth formula, a raised to x, derivative of a raised to x equals to a raised to x into log a. Then derivative of e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x is same, so e raised to x equals to e raised to x. Now eighth, derivative of log x, derivative of log x equals to 1 by x. Okay, remember all these formulas, learn, get it by heart, write it 10 times in a notebook or any rough notebook. Rules of differentiation. While solving the sums, you have to follow all these rules. Just as we have rules in algebra, na? Here also we have some rules. See, if u and v are differentiable functions of x, and if, first rule is, if y equals to u plus v, if the function is given in the form of sum of two terms, then their differentiation will be dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, since it is given plus, so we are using the plus. Next, second formula, if y equals to u minus v, then dy by dx equals to du by dx minus dv by dx. We have to differentiate both the terms and then we have to put the minus in between. Okay, now see the third one, it is for multiplication of two terms. If u and v are two functions and there is given multiplication between them, then its derivative is found by dy by dx equals to u means first function into derivative of second function u into dv by dx plus second function into derivative of first function, that means v into du by dx. We have to differentiate second, then after that first. Okay, so u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Okay, fourth one, y equals to u upon v. Remember, see this formula. Then their derivative dy by dx equals to v into du by dx minus v into dv by dx upon v square, where v should not be equal to 0. Okay, fifth one, y equals to k into u. K is a constant, then we have to just differentiate the function u. Okay, so dy by dx equals to k into du by dx, where k is a constant. Okay, understood? Write these formulas, remember it, learn. Some examples based on standard derivative and rules of derivatives. Here I have given 4 examples. We have to see how to solve these questions. Okay, by solving while solving you have to remember all these formulas and rules of derivatives. Okay, we will see all the solution of this question in the video. First example is y equals to x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus root x minus 3 upon x square minus 8. We have to find the derivative of this equation, this function. Okay, so we write here differentiating with respect to x. Okay, so we are differentiating y, so we get dy by dx. So we write here d by dx of, since we are differentiating with respect to x, we write d by dx and the function here 2x is to 3 plus root x minus 3 upon x square minus 8. Okay, this is the basic. Now since we have seen the rule of differentiation, there we have seen that derivative is distributed in plus and minus, na? So we distribute all the derivative. D by dx of x raised to 4 minus d by dx of 2x cube plus d by dx of root x minus d by dx of 3 upon x square, then minus d by dx of 8. Okay, see now d by dx of x raised to 4. Here we will use the formula x raised to n equals to n x raised to n minus 1. Okay, we will use this formula x raised to n equals to n x raised to n minus 1. N minus 1. Okay, so what is n here? 4. So 4 x raised to 4 minus 1. Okay, then minus, same formula we apply here also. 2 is coefficient, we write 2 into x raised to 3. So n is 3 x raised to 3 minus 1. Understood? Plus that formula of derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. This we can direct write from the by using formula. Minus 3 upon x square. See here what we have to do here. We will take 3 outside and d by dx of x raised to minus 2. Okay, when this x square goes in the upside, it becomes x raised to minus 2. Okay, then minus, this is 8 na, 8 is a constant, so derivative of constant is 0. Now again 4 x raised to 3 minus 2 into 3 6 x raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 root x minus 3. Now we apply the same formula here also. Here n is minus 2. So minus 2 x raised to minus 2 minus 1. Okay. So now we know, don't write this 0. Now 4x cube minus 6x square plus 1 upon 2 root x minus 3 into minus 2x raised to minus 3. Okay, now we have to simplify the last term. 4x cube minus 6x square plus 1 upon 2 root x minus become plus, 3 into 2 becomes 6, and this minus x raised to minus 3 will come downside and it will become x cube. Understood? So this is your final answer. See the second sum. Y equals to 2x plus 3 into x cube minus 7x plus 4. Now again first we write here differentiating with respect to x. Okay, in all sum you have to write this, differentiating with respect to x. Now derivative of y is dy by dx equals to d by dx of 2x plus 3 x cube minus 7x plus 4. Okay, now it is u into v. So we use the formula. What is the formula? D by dx of u into v equals to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, now we apply this formula here. So u is 2x plus 3 and v is x cube minus 7x plus 4. So what is here? U. So we write u here. and u is 2x plus 3. Now d by dx of v, d by dx of v is x cube minus 7x plus 4. Okay, then we have to write plus v. What is v? This is v, x cube minus 7x plus 4 into d by dx of u. U is 2x plus 3. Clear? Now we don't have to do anything here, so we write it just as it is given, 2x plus 3. Now we have to differentiate this. Okay, d by dx of this, no? So we need to differentiate this here. So d by dx of x cube, d by dx of 7x plus d by dx of 4. Okay, then coming here plus, again here we don't do anything, x cube minus 7x plus 4. Now d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 3. Okay, now again we don't have to do anything here. D by dx of 3x raised to 3, it is 3x square. Using the formula x raised to n equals to n x raised to n minus 1. Okay, minus 7x. This is derivative of x is 1 na, so we get 7 here. Derivative of x will be 7 is coefficient, we write coefficient as it is. Since then d by dx of x is 1, so 7 into 1 plus d by dx of 4 is constant, its derivative is 0. Then coming to next line, it is written same, copy here. Then d by dx of 2x, d by dx of 2x, so 2 into derivative of x is 1. 2 is constant, so it is written as it is. Derivative of x is 1, so 2 into 1 plus 0, because 3 is constant. Okay, now we have to multiply these terms. Two x plus 3, 3x square minus 7 plus x cube minus 7x plus 4 into 2. Okay, now multiply 2x into 3x square, 2 into 3, 6 x cube, 2x into minus 7, minus 2 7 is 14 x plus 3 into 3, 9 x square minus 3 into minus 7 minus 21 plus coming here 2 into x cube, 2x cube minus 14x plus 8. Okay, now 6x cube, 2x cube becomes 8x cube plus 9x square minus 28x minus 21 minus 8. 21 and minus 8 minus 13, no? So this is the final result. Okay, now see question 4. I have left third question for you to solve on your own and give me your answer in your WhatsApp group. Now coming to fourth question. In starting we have to write differentiating with respect to x. Okay, then dy by dx equals to d by dx of log x into e raised to x plus x. Here also we have two functions, u and v. We apply the same product rule. Okay, remember, u into v is equals to v dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, so we use the same formula here also. See, u na, so log x into d by dx of e raised to x plus x. Okay, plus v means e raised to x plus x into d by dx of u is log x. Okay, as you have seen, we don't have to touch this, write it same here also, into separate d by dx of e raised to x plus d by dx of x. Done. Then plus, again here we don't touch this, just write this, copy here also. Now separate d by dx of log x. Okay, now log x d by dx of e raised to x. What is the derivative of e raised to x? It is same e raised to x plus d by dx of x. Derivative of x is 1, as if you can see in the formula. Okay, again here e raised to x plus x. Now derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So we have done derivative. Now we need to simplify all these terms. Multiply log x into e raised to x plus log x plus e raised to x by x plus x by x. Okay, now you can see this become 1. E raised to x is given here and here also, so we can take e raised to x common. Okay, so we take e raised to x common and we get log x plus 1 by x, and the remaining terms plus log x this one and plus 1 here in the last. So this is the final result, final answer. Get it? Is it clear? All these examples are basic of 11th, as we have not studied all this in class 11th as due to this coronavirus, due to lockdown. So we are continuing this chapter differentiation from 11th, taking the topics of 11th class. Okay.